This is Jess from jesshuff.com. In this video, I'll show you how to tack down the ears for my free Amigurumi crochet pattern, Lulu the Labrador. I've included a link to this pattern in the video description. Cut a 12-inch strand of yarn, the same color as your dog. Thread one end through a yarn needle. Let's start with the left ear. Tie a knot halfway up the right edge of the ear, leaving a 5-inch yarn tail. Now we're going to bring the ear forward so the knot we just tied is 3 rounds back from the eye. Secure the ear to this spot with another knot. Examine the head from all angles to make sure that you're happy with the placement. Then you can cut off this excess second tail so it's the same length as your first tail. Then you can thread both the beginning and ending yarn tails through a yarn needle and hide those inside the work. Then we're going to repeat this process for the other side. Your Labrador's ears are now secured to the head. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be notified about my future crochet tutorials. Thanks for watching!